Hey, today I'm not going to talk about a billing feature, but I'm going to talk about a very important feature when you want to connect your applications to a Lago billing engine. I'm going to talk about API key permissions, so a very specific enterprise feature made for security. You might want some of your applications to be connected directly to all the Lagos objects, but sometimes you might want to be able also to have your services connected to some of the objects, not all the objects. So you want to choose and pick the objects that are and the actions that are available from any API key. This is why you can edit or create a new API key with dedicated permissions. Okay, so I'm going to create here a new key. I'm going to give it a name. And let's say here you want your CRM to be like Salesforce to be able to access Lagos data, all right? You might want to assign to this API key some very specific permissions. So let's say Salesforce CRM does not have any write permission on all the Lagos objects. You cannot write anything into Lago from Salesforce. And on top of that, you might want to limit the read operations for the invoice objects. You don't want Salesforce to be to access all the invoices you have on Lago. So you are gonna tick off this specific invoice object, and I'm gonna create this API key. All right. I'm gonna use this new API key, the CRM one, and here I'm gonna check if this is working properly. So I'm gonna go into my authorization here, bearer token, and I'm going to pass the new token. In that case, whenever you send that, you have a response from Lago saying that this read action is not allowed. You don't have the permission to access this object from a read operation. And this is how you can enhance the security of your Lago billing engine by having some specific permissions on API keys.